Akiaria monania ulima biashara kivarore kia University wa Embu, Minister wa Thathaiti Simon Chelgui augite thirikari nirageria na njira wacionthe kuona avuri biashara anini nimarakinyira ngombo cia maciaro manthi niguo kumatetheria gukuria biashara ciao kuona undu ucio wari rungu rwa ciraniro cia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
MSMEs contribute 3% of our national GDP growth. We now want to push this sector to over 20%. It can never be done in another way other than beginning, supporting and promoting.
Chelgui agwete kinyoro ya mbere iria kuvuthia mitaratara ya gwoca ngombo ire kuretwo vo gwa kavinda karasa. Chelgui yorotano anginya gukorwo na ugwataniri kuma kwi thirikari nene na iria cia county na gwatete mĩaria ingi niguo kugacithiria riera ria biashara gukwa kiuga mikovo ya avuri biashara kuvitukira Hustler Fund ni kinyete bilioni 25.
We do individual credit scoring per member of that group, and then you approach, you use 2 lines or 3 lines to apply. They are going to be registered 1 line, but 3 lines are used for customer checks and verification, and you make the application through the Hustler platform.
Governor wa Embu Cecily Mbarire nake akiandikithia mogaruruku mawatho ma wandikithia wa biashara nini kuona inavotiwa kuvesena trilioni 3 kwi vururi.
To be able to access cheap credit so that these startups can be able to grow. Number 2, we need to build the capacity of these SMEs so that they can grow. They need training and capacity building so that they can be able to get entrepreneurial skills, financial management skills, marketing skills, so that they can grow.
Gukuma kiuga ni magateithekete na njira nene na monania mama igithia na onjoria matongoretwo ni Rose Muriithi wa mukawa wa Estana makiuria thirikari kuririkana sekta ya ugendi tondu ni ironekana ta kwedigaririte guko onjoria aria engi makiuria thirikari ya Cecily Mbarire gwikurikia marivima marua ma biashara.
Expo imekuwa nzuri sana kumaira leo the market ni tuonete feedback jega and the exposure ile koreto iguko ni wide to hotel industry guko ni a lot of people ndio wameingia huku na we appreciate the feedback and the turnout also imekuwa nzuri sana.
Wina biashara nyingi under one roof wakora nyorare hiyo all department nyorare hiyo license tofauti wako tukiwa utoria hinyiririe no turia thirikari at least turorie mweno cio wa licensing
niguo kuvaugia avuri biashara nini kuvirithia na gukuria biashara ciao. Munini wa Vice Chancellor wa University ya Embu Professor Kotuta kiuga University ya Embu niguo kwa kiruta mieke ya kuthomithia andu aya biashara. Vandori va Kameme TV ne kaunti ya Embu ni Bita Dennis Fundi.